Hey guys, so I really like ColourPop products, but it's been I think a while, at least a couple years since I've bought anything from ColourPop, and I happened to see that they were having a major sale. They pretty frequently will run big sales where they might have stuff on clearance marked down super low, or they might have stuff that's 50% off, or they might have like 30% off the entire site. They pretty frequently run pretty big sales, so I just decided to try a couple items since it had been so long since I ordered from them. And so these, I just was like, these are so cute. These are just too cute to resist. It's the Star Wars Mandalorian palettes, and just how cute is that? So the normal price for the two of these, it's usually $16 per palette, but on sale they were just $8 each. So that's a pretty good price for these, and I know they get good reviews. A lot of ColourPop eyeshadows get really good reviews for being really high quality, for being similar quality to a lot more expensive brands. So it's pretty nice to be able to get some of their stuff on sale because it's already really reasonable, and then on sale it's even more reasonable, and the quality is so good. So yeah, the color is just very intense, even with just a little touch. You get pretty intense color there. So this one has greens, but it's not like crazy bright like fluorescent greens. It's kind of like more approachable greens. So I think it's something that you could potentially wear just in a typical look for just a normal day. And then this Mandalorian one, this one has even more sort of neutral-ish colors. Well, actually, a couple of these are like the duochrome ones, so those are probably pretty intense. But some of these are pretty, like these matte shades are very subdued, very natural looking. This gray is really pretty. I don't really have a lot of gray. And then this is one of the like the duochrome ones. It looks like it's like a green purple. Yeah, I love the look of these. Creed looks like kind of a dark brown with a little bit of shimmer in it, a tiny bit of shimmer in it. Yeah, I like that none of these are glitters. Like there's some shimmers, but there's no glitters. This one, the forest looks a little glittery to me, but it's not as bad as some glitters. Like some glitters, they have like huge visible chunks of glitter, and this one doesn't really have that, but it definitely looks a bit glittery for my taste, but I will still try it out. And a few other items in here. One is this. I think these were on sale quite cheap. This is the Powerpuff Girls Fourth Ray Beauty Lip Mask Duo. I've been really enjoying using lip masks right now during the winter. But when that one dies, I want to have another one. And so I decided to try these because they were on sale, and it's really nice. So this is they're both overnight lip masks. So they're both overnight lip masks. And oh my gosh, how cute. How cute is the packaging? Wow, that is so adorable. I'm going to put this back on because I just want to keep it nice and airtight. But this packaging is just everything. This is awesome. The Powerpuff Girl packaging is super cute. Aw. That's one thing about ColourPop. They really suck you in with how cute their packaging is. But since you know it's also quality, it's just like, oh my gosh, it's hard to resist. So one more item. This is a lip scrub. Hello Kitty Pineapple Pop Lip Scrub. Also on sale. And I've always loved Hello Kitty. I've always loved Sanrio stuff. It's just so cute. So this one is just going to be a lip scrub. So I would probably use the lip scrub and then follow it up with the lip mask. That's adorable. And let's see, this one is a little lip product. So this is a Glossy Lip Stain. And I really love stains because I do not like to reapply, and lip products easily come off my lips. So usually pretty early on in the day, my lip product is just gone. So I like the fact that with a stain, you still get a little bit of color lasting through the day. You still have that look of having on like a nice lip product through a longer part of the day, even as you're eating, even as you're like licking your lips, you still get a little bit of a stain there. And this color is really pretty. This looks sort of kind of like a pinky orange, but sort of a natural. I think it looks pretty natural. It looks pretty nice. And last but not least, these two I think were on sale for like $5. It's pretty good, a pretty good deal. These are body milks, so who can't use more lotion in the summer? And I cannot believe how cute this packaging is. It looks like two little milk cartons. That's so cute. And so let's see, let's open them up. So this is what they look like outside of the carton. Coconut body milk, and then the pink grapefruit body milk. And I read some pretty good reviews on these. They did say that the consistency is a little bit more liquidy, as you can see in the bottle. That does seem to be true. People said it is almost like a milk, like it's a pretty thin consistency, but that it does work really well to hydrate your skin. So that was my little ColourPop haul, and all this stuff together. Oh gosh, the price was so cheap. I want to say it was like 30 something. It was a really, really good deal. And you know, they give you free shipping over $30 as well. So I will link to ColourPop down in the info box, and let me know if you guys have been enjoying any of their products lately. Bye.